Ready multi-purpose submersible drainage pumps from Flygt for great pumping moments. Durable and lightweight, Ready pumps have many advantages. But what really puts the Ready range in a class of its own is quick and easy serviceability. This film is a short demonstration of just how easy servicing your Ready pump can be. Sometimes you may need to replace a damaged cable on your Ready pump. For this, you'll need a 22mm wrench, a size 3 and size 5 Allen key, pliers, and a new cable unit. To replace the power cable unit or the float sensor, first loosen the cable gland nut using your wrench. The water cut is located at the end of the cable, and in the event of cable damage, it prevents water from entering the junction box. Using the size 5 Allen key, remove the top 3 cover bolts. Lift off the top cover. Disconnect the power leads. Disconnect the ground wire with the size 3 Allen key. Pull out the old cable. Then, you simply reverse the steps. Pull the new cable unit through and connect to the terminals. Reinstall the top cover. Tighten the cover bolts and gland nut, and you're ready for action. Should the impeller become worn or damaged, you'll need to replace it. This task requires a size 5 Allen key and a replacement impeller. Remove the 3 strainer bolts on the base of the pump using the Allen key, and remove the strainer. Next, remove the lower diffuser, exposing the impeller. Using your Allen key, remove the worn or damaged impeller and install the new impeller. Put the lower diffuser back in place and the strainer. Tighten the 3 strainer bolts and you're done. Seals can become worn and cause unplanned downtime. To replace the seals, you'll need a size 5 Allen key, a small flathead screwdriver, a pair of mechanic gloves, and a seal replacement service kit. Remove the 3 strainer bolts on the base of the pump, then the strainer, lower diffuser, and the impeller. Using the screwdriver, remove the oil screw and release the oil. Remove the rotating outer seal with its washer and the upper diffuser. Then remove the upper stationary seal. Install the upper stationary seal from your service kit and replace the upper diffuser. Install the outer rotating seal and washer, impeller, lower diffuser, and strainer. Tighten the bolts, refill the oil, and you're set to go. By servicing the replaceable components with Flygt genuine spare parts, instead of just throwing the pump away and buying a new one, you'll reduce your carbon footprint and lower your total cost of ownership. Available in the Ready 4, 8, and 8S models to suit any on-the-spot dewatering challenge, you're ready for those great pumping moments, time and time again. For further instructions on servicing the Ready series of pumps, consult the Installation and Operation Manual.